Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the mix inhibition. This type of inhibition is recognized by its characteristic effect on Vmax and Km. Like non-competitive inhibitor, mix inhibitor can bind either to the free enzyme or to enzyme substrate complex, thereby preventing the reaction from occurring. So here enzyme inhibitor and enzyme substrate inhibitor, both the complexes are formed. Then what is the effect on maximum velocity of this inhibitor? Mix inhibition cannot be overcome by increasing the concentration of substrate. Thus, mix inhibitors decrease the maximum velocity of the reaction. Effect on Km: mix inhibitor which bind to some other site of the enzyme brings conformational change in enzyme, thus decrease the affinity of enzyme for the substrate, and hence the enzyme shows increase Km in the presence of mix inhibitor. The example of mix inhibitor is fucogatin. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.